How to look at deleted messages on Instagram. First, open Instagram. And once you're inside Instagram, what you have to do is just basically go to your profile. So this is the easiest method that you could look at deleted messages. Once you're inside your profile, what you need to do is just basically tap on these three horizontal lines on the top. Once you press on them, it will bring you here, but you just gotta go to your activity. Just press on your activity and it will bring you right over here. Scroll down until you see the option of download your information. Just press on it. And here it will bring this. Now you just gotta press on download or transfer information. And then press on some of your information, because you want to specifically download your messages or basically to see your deleted messages. But yeah, scroll down until you see the option of messages right over here, and it's for me, it's right over here right beneath the content. I'm just gonna press on messages now and press next. Now it's just gonna ask me to if I want to download to this device or transfer it. So I'm just gonna download to this device, press next, and now it's just gonna set the range for it. So I'm just gonna set the range for like last 3 months or maybe last month, and then save. Now just select the media quality and then format and then create files. Once you do this, it will begin. So here, as you can see, you've requested it. So it might take them like 48 hours. So like you gotta wait until the requested has been done, and it will show you a download option, or they would Gmail you on your email, and they would just basically show an Gmail or email like you'll be able to download your messages and you'll be able to see it. So yeah, this is the only way on how you can look at deleted messages on Instagram. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until then, goodbye, and that's it.